Imagine an army facing off against thousands of flightless birds. In 1932, Australian farmers were desperate as emus, towering birds native to the continent, invaded farmlands, destroying crops. The government sent soldiers armed with machine guns to Western Australia, aiming to control the rampant emu population. But the emus proved astonishingly elusive and resilient. Despite firing thousands of rounds, the birds outran the soldiers, and the operation was abandoned. The emus triumphed, and the event became known as the Great Emu War.